Read the signs. Along the way there are signs. They aren't the painted kind. They're the actions taken by governments, the environment that is created, people's lives. Their everyday lives are the living signs. Sometimes they're seem unrelated, yet if one was to add them all up in the sum of the parts, it started with a threat. People felt the threat externally, then internally. Security checks seem logical. Terrorism and espionage are the new social networks. Fear and a lack of trust the daily diet. Spying and infiltrating seen as necessity. Targeting individuals, the majority stays silent. Restricting and embedding the press, we're told, gives better coverage and security. Creating a secret prison system that allows torture, set up military tribunals, creating paramilitary forces, and setting up martial law to protect the freedoms we used to have. Please read the fucking signs.